Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss about the difference between public and private law. Legal terminology, or as it is often referred to as legal jargon, can be confusing. There are many different types of law ranging from private law to criminal law, administrative law and international law. The distinction between public law and private law has been ever present. The best place to start in understanding this difference is to first identify and explain what is meant by private and public law. Let's start with private law. Private law applies to any circumstances relating to relationship between individual in a legal system. Therefore, this type of law governs the relationship between individual and governments. This is also referred to as a common law. It includes the law of property and trust, family law, the law of contract, and the law of tort. Common example of private law can be found in organizations and employment. For example, the rule of behavior established by an employer. This can be in the form of day-to-day rules such as no smoking at headquarters, no creation of a hostile work environment. The penalties for breaking these rules can range from an oral reprimand to being removed from the organization. Smoking indoor is a classic example of public versus private law regulation. As a public law, smoking indoor is prohibited in the UK. However, groups of citizens joined together to create a mutual agreement between property owner which the government has no regulation over. Subdivision of private law: contract law, law of tort, property law, labor law, commercial law, corporation law, competition law. Here we will discuss public law. Let's move on to public law. Public law is a set of rules that governs the relationship between private individuals and private organizations and public bodies. In general term, public law deals with issues that affect the general public or society as a whole. Some other law that fall under this public law: administrative law, constitutional law, criminal laws, municipal laws, international laws. Circumstances involving public bodies fall under this law. Usually, public bodies and official gets their authority to make decisions and take action from Parliament in the form of legislation. Government, ministers, departments and agencies, local authorities, health authorities, the public prison courts. Public bodies carry out public functions, however, providing housing and community care is now carried out by private organization. A private organization may be controlled by public law if it is doing something that a public body would otherwise usually do.